Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a really interesting topic, something a lot of people wonder about when it comes to Bollywood stars. The glitz and glamour of the film industry often come with a certain image, including late-night parties and cocktails, but what if I told you that many Bollywood celebrities actually stay away from alcohol altogether? Surprising, right? Explanation. Listening, pay attention to how glitz and glamour is pronounced. Repeat after me. Reading, focus on how sentences are structured, especially with questions like, what if I told you? Writing, can you think of other situations where you might ask, what if I told you? Write them down. Speaking, practice reading this introduction aloud. Today we'll take a look at 10 such stars who have never touched alcohol and how they maintain a healthy and disciplined lifestyle. Stick around because I'm sure some of these names will shock you. Listening, notice the phrase, stick around. This is a casual way of telling someone to stay. Writing, can you write a sentence using stick around in a different context? Speaking, try saying this line out loud, emphasizing the words healthy, disciplined, and shock. So let's start with the first name on the list, someone who's all about fitness and discipline, Bollywood's Khiladi himself, Akshay Kumar. Listening, hear how Khiladi is pronounced. It's a Hindi word that means a player or performer. Reading, notice how who's all about is used to describe someone's passion or focus. Writing, write a sentence about someone you know who is all about something, like, my friend is all about books. Speaking, repeat this sentence, focusing on pronunciation and pausing at commas. Akshay Kumar is known for his incredible dedication to fitness and healthy living. Everyone knows about his early morning routines, strict diet, and disciplined lifestyle. But did you know that Akshay has never touched alcohol? That's right, he even mentioned on The Kapil Sharma Show that he keeps away from alcohol, which is a big part of why he stays so fit and active even at 56. If you want to stay in shape like Akshay, maybe skipping that next drink could be a good start. Listening, listen carefully to how the word dedication is pronounced. Reading, pay attention to how the sentence, if you want to stay in shape like Akshay, suggests advice or a suggestion. Writing, write a suggestion using if you want to. For example, if you want to learn English faster, practice every day. Speaking, repeat this paragraph out loud. Focus on making your voice sound natural and conversational. Next up is another fitness freak, Hrithik Roshan. Listening, focus on how the phrase, fitness freak, sounds. This means someone obsessed with staying fit. Writing, can you think of other freak phrases, like neat freak? Write them down. Speaking, practice saying this sentence with enthusiasm, as if you're introducing someone. Hrithik Roshan, often called the Greek god of Bollywood, is another actor who avoids alcohol to maintain his flawless physique. He believes that alcohol can mess with his body's health and prefers not to drink at all. In fact, he's mentioned that he doesn't even like the taste of alcohol. If you've ever wondered how Hrithik stays so fit, this is one of his secrets. He simply avoids unhealthy habits like drinking. Listening, notice the word physique, which refers to someone's body shape. Reading, observe how he simply avoids unhealthy habits like drinking, summarizes his approach to health. Writing, write about one unhealthy habit you want to avoid. Speaking, read this paragraph out loud. Focus on the words flawless and secrets. From the Greek god to the Shahenshah of Bollywood, let's talk about the legendary Amitabh Bachchan. Listening, pay attention to the title, Shahenshah, which means King of Kings, in Persian. Writing, write a sentence introducing someone with an impressive title, like the Queen of Pop, Madonna. Speaking, practice saying this sentence confidently. Amitabh Bachchan, one of Bollywood's greatest actors, has never consumed alcohol. Even though he's played many characters who drink on screen, he avoids alcohol in real life due to health reasons. At his age, Staying healthy is key, and Amitabh has made it clear that alcohol has no place in his lifestyle. It's truly inspiring to see someone of his stature lead by example when it comes to healthy living. Listening, notice the phrase, lead by example, which means setting a good example for others. Reading, focus on how stature refers to someone's standing or reputation in society. Writing, write about someone you admire who leads by example. Speaking, read this paragraph, focusing on clear pronunciation of longer words like consumed and inspiring. Now, moving to the next generation of the Bachchan family, Abhishek Bachchan. Listening, notice how next generation is used to describe the younger family member. Writing, write about a famous family where the next generation is also successful. Speaking, practice saying this sentence clearly, with emphasis on next generation. Abhishek Bachchan, though he might not be as celebrated as his father, is still a talented actor in his own right. He follows in his father's footsteps by staying away from alcohol. Despite the pressures of being in the spotlight, Abhishek maintains a disciplined lifestyle and avoids unhealthy habits like drinking. Listening, pay attention to the phrase, in his own right, which means he has earned recognition independently. Reading, notice how, despite the pressures, is used to show contrast. Writing, write a sentence showing contrast using, despite, like, despite being tired, I finished my work. Speaking, repeat this paragraph and emphasize the phrase, in his own right. Speaking of fitness, let's talk about Bollywood's fitness queen, Shilpa Shetty. Listening, listen to how fitness queen is emphasized in this sentence. Writing, think of another queen or king title, e.g., Queen of Pop. Write a sentence introducing someone. Speaking, practice saying this sentence with excitement, as if introducing a famous person. Shilpa Shetty is known as Bollywood's fitness queen. Even though she's not as active in films today, she's a huge advocate for healthy living. Shilpa follows a strict diet and exercise routine, and she avoids alcohol completely. If you follow her on social media, you'll see that her disciplined approach to health is a big part of her lifestyle. No alcohol, no unhealthy food, just pure dedication to fitness. Listening, pay attention to how advocate for healthy living is used. Reading, notice how strict diet and disciplined approach are used to describe her habits. Writing, write about someone you know who has a strict routine or diet. Speaking, say this paragraph out loud. Focus on the words strict, advocate, and discipline. Now, let's look at Sonakshi Sinha, the daughter of veteran actor Shatrughan Sinha. Listening, listen to how veteran actor is used to describe someone with experience. Writing, write a sentence introducing a well-known person as a veteran in their field. Speaking, repeat this line, emphasizing veteran actor. Sonakshi Sinha has made a name for herself in Bollywood and, like Shilpa, she believes in staying fit and avoiding unhealthy habits. She's often spoken about how alcohol is a bad habit, and she stays away from it to keep herself in good health. It's always inspiring to see stars like Sonakshi prioritize health over temporary pleasures. Listening, focus on how made a name for herself is pronounced, meaning she has become successful. Reading, notice how prioritize is used to show importance. Writing, write a sentence using prioritize, like, I prioritize my studies over everything else. Speaking, practice saying, prioritize health over temporary pleasures, with proper intonation. And next up, one of Bollywood's most admired actors, John Abraham. Listening, notice the word admired, meaning well-liked or respected. Writing, think of someone you admire and write a sentence introducing them. Speaking, practice saying this sentence with enthusiasm, as if announcing someone important. John Abraham, who is often referred to as the handsome hunk of Bollywood, is super focused on his health. John doesn't just avoid alcohol, he also steers clear of sweets and fatty foods. His dedication to fitness is evident in every role he takes on. If you want to follow John's footsteps, cutting out alcohol is a great way to start building a healthier life. Listening, pay attention to the phrase, steers clear of, meaning to avoid. Reading, notice the use of dedication to fitness. Writing, write a sentence using steers clear of, like, I steer clear of junk food. Speaking, repeat this paragraph and emphasize the words super focused and dedication. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest names in Bollywood today, Deepika Padukone. Listening, notice the phrase, one of the biggest names, which means someone very famous. Writing, write a sentence introducing another famous person using this phrase. Speaking, practice saying this sentence, focusing on clear pronunciation of Padukone. Deepika Padukone is one of the most popular actresses in Bollywood. She's all about staying fit and leading a healthy lifestyle, and that includes avoiding alcohol. Even though her husband, Ranveer Singh, might indulge every now and then, Deepika herself stays away from alcohol completely to maintain her body shape and health. Her dedication to fitness is a big reason why she continues to shine in the industry. Listening, focus on how indulge is used, meaning to enjoy something occasionally. Reading, notice the phrase continues to shine in the industry, which means to remain successful. Writing, write a sentence using indulge, like, I indulge in dessert on special occasions. Speaking, repeat this paragraph with proper emphasis on dedication and shine. Let's talk about another rising star, Parineeti Chopra. Listening, pay attention to the phrase rising star, which means someone becoming more popular. Writing, write a sentence about someone else who is a rising star. Speaking, practice saying this sentence with excitement. Parineeti Chopra may have had a chubby childhood, but she's transformed herself into a fitness-conscious actress. She has openly shared her journey toward health and how she avoids alcohol as part of her fitness regime. And now, with her marriage to AAPMP Raghav Chadha coming up, Parineeti is more focused on staying in shape than ever before. Listening, listen to the word transformed, meaning to change completely. Reading, focus on the word regime, which means a strict routine. Writing, write a sentence using transformed, like, she transformed her study habits. Speaking, repeat this paragraph, focusing on the words fitness conscious and transformed. Last but not least, we have the talented actor, Siddharth Malhotra. Listening, pay attention to the phrase last but not least, which means the final item is still important. Writing, write a sentence using last but not least for something important you want to mention. Speaking, practice saying this sentence, emphasizing talented. Siddharth Malhotra, one of Bollywood's new generation stars, also stays far away from alcohol. He's mentioned that many people use alcohol as a way to distress, but for him, staying healthy and fit is far more important. Siddharth has made it clear that alcohol has no place in his life. Listening, focus on the phrase, stays far away from, which means to avoid completely. Reading, notice how distress is used as a verb, meaning to relieve stress. Writing, write a sentence using distress, like, I distress by going for a walk. Speaking, read this paragraph aloud and focus on the phrase, stays far away from. And there you have it, 10 Bollywood stars who choose to stay alcohol-free. Whether it's for fitness, health, or personal choice, these actors prove that it's possible to maintain a glamorous life without unhealthy habits. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more fascinating insights into the lives of your favorite celebrities. Listening, pay attention to the phrase, stay alcohol-free, which means not drinking alcohol at all. Writing, write your own conclusion using phrases like, if you found this inspiring. Speaking, Practice saying this conclusion with a natural and friendly tone.